Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Jamaican singer, songwriter, poet, general writer Sean C. Harrison, coming to you out of the parish of St. Thomas, Jamaica, the community of Red Hills, Penn. I would just like to sing a song for you today that I personally wrote in 2005 that is entitled Dream On. This song is for anyone who has ever had a vision or a dream of being more than he or she was or is. And, it encourages us to press on in spite of the obstacles and the challenges that are sure to come as we reach for something that is bigger than just the ordinary. So I just like you to please listen and share and enjoy and take to heart the words, the lyrics, as I give my rendition. Dream on. In each heart there's a dream that's waiting to be opened up for the world to see. Circumstance sometimes makes it hard to go on, hard to believe. People tell you there's no use trying. It's the prize of a lucky few. It's too far, too high, too hard, they say. Trying much to discourage you. So you face the world with a heart that's trembling, looking for a ray of light to guide you through. You've got to try. Oh, you can make it. Here's how it starts. Here's what to do. When you've got a dream in your heart, dream on. No, please don't walk away. Please be strong. There is a place for the heart that hopes. It's not too far away. If you have faith, so dream on. Holding hope like a lighted candle. Make your way to that mountain high. Brave the danger, don't be afraid. Dreams are never supposed to die. Every life has a secret purpose. You've got to find yours and find it soon. You've got to know you were born to win. That this is what you were born to do. May the wind your friend, may the sky your homeland. This world is waiting to see you fly. You just don't know who'll be inspired to make life better with a dream locked inside. Oh, when you've got a dream in your heart, dream on. Please don't walk away. Please be strong. There is a place for the heart that hopes. It's not too far away. If you have faith, so dream on. You're close to the end. You've ever known, don't give up. Don't lose faith. When you've got a dream in your heart, dream on. No, please don't walk away. Please be strong. There is a place for the heart that hopes. It's not too far away. If you have faith, so dream on. It's not too far away. If you have faith, no, it's not too far away. If you have faith, so dream on, yeah.